I'm afraid if I go into Walmart too early, I'm gonna be waiting. What time does Aldi's open? Aldi's opens at 8:30, so I have half an hour to whip through Aldi, or to whip through Walmart. I'm currently waiting in the parking lot. Just dropped Dalton day off. They have about probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks, whatever. About 3 weeks until they're done with school, and they're both feeling it. Like it's taking a little bit longer to get out of bed and get up and get moving, and mornings have been like, come on, let's go, like more so than it usually is. If you're new here, my son he's gonna be 13 this year. He's in 6th grade, and then my daughter is in 4th grade, and she is 10. So I know you guys have probably seen them a little bit less in the videos. I've just been trying to figure out a good balance, I guess, more so of like mom stuff and like what I got going on versus, previously when I first started my channel, it was like a lot of it was on my kids and like what we do together. Well, now that they're getting older, it's a little bit harder because they're not wanting to sit at the table and do crafty stuff or, things like that. They'd rather hang out with their friends, which is totally fine. But that dynamic of my vlogs, I'm sure you've noticed, has changed a little bit just because things, I wouldn't expect them to be the same that they were 3 years ago. So I'm gonna run in here and get some stuff and then go to Aldi's. Dalton is having 2 friends stay the night tonight. He was gonna do it last weekend, but Day had one of her friends, and I'm like, I'm not doing this. Like, one at a time. So Dalton's having 2 friends stay the night tonight, and yeah, I need groceries. What? Just right here? You can't take that in the living room? Take your baby in the living room. Oh, she's not gonna take it. She's not gonna take it. He's like, bye. I already have the stuff for some of these things. We are going to do breakfast sandwiches, like a McGriddle kind of style. We love breakfast sandwiches. I was gonna do it last night, forgot the sausage, but I got it this time. So I'm just gonna cook little pancakes and then make a bunch of eggs, make some sausage patties and cheese, and that will be everybody's dinner one night. Tonight we are doing Domino's pizza because Dalton is having some buddies stay the night, which I already mentioned. So the whole sleepover thing, we're doing the pizza. I also have I was gonna say a ton, but I have donuts for the boys, some chips, some like popcorn, stuff like that. I don't usually buy as much like candy stuff, and I'm like, I want to make the sleepover fun for them. So I did get some extra like some popcorn, one of these for the boys. I thought this was kind of fun. What else? I'm also going to make those s'more cups too. So I have the graham crackers for it, the big marshmallows I already bought and have, and then Hershey bars. So then the rest of the week we are going to do BLT wraps because the weather's going to start getting a lot warmer. Burgers on the grill, teriyaki chicken skewers on the grill with rice, angel beef casserole over homemade garlic bread, and then the last night we're gonna do mini sheet pan tostados. Whenever we grill out, I'm going to make cornbread casserole. Brett had been asking me to make it. I have some baking butter. These refried beans are going to go with the tostados. So I have these corn tortillas. You already saw that. The lettuce and the tomatoes I can use for the tostados, but also the BLT wraps. Here's some drinks that I wanted to try from Walmart. The garlic bread with the fresh mozzarella and French bread. Sausage. I have all the fruit. I also bought a watermelon because I like to give some of the like the rinds to my chickens. And then we have burgers, buns. I want to do a French toast bake. I've been craving it. And you need this brioche. I have no idea. This bread. You need this bread for it, and it's in the crock pot, and it's so good. just got done putting everything away, kind of picking up the house a little bit. I have the drinks and the snacks and everything organized. I did not realize how much I bought a box of popcorn, forgetting I bought a box of popcorn, and then I bought another box, so now we have like 50 packages of bagged popcorn, like microwavable popcorn. I cleaned the bathroom. I did do like a big like run through of the house the other day, so I really didn't need to clean a whole lot, but really whenever we have people come over, I just need to vacuum and possibly mop. I'm not even gonna bother mopping because it's raining and I don't know what the boys are gonna do now because they love coming over to ride four-wheelers, but if it's raining, they can't ride. So I'm gonna vacuum and then probably have to go get my kids from school. I think about an hour after I get them. The boys should be coming over if they're still coming over. I have no idea. 6th grade boys making plans is always a giant mess. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video.